Metabolism is a fascinating and complex topic that plays a crucial role in the functioning of all living organisms. At its core, metabolism refers to the sum of all chemical reactions that occur within our bodies to maintain life. These reactions are essential for converting the food we eat into energy, which powers everything from our daily activities to the intricate processes that keep our cells functioning properly. Understanding metabolism is not just about knowing how our bodies process nutrients. It's about grasping the very foundation of life itself. Metabolism encompasses two main processes: catabolism, which breaks down molecules to release energy, and anabolism, which uses that energy to build and repair tissues. This balance is vital for growth, reproduction, and overall health. In this video, we will dive deep into the significance of metabolism in biological processes. You'll learn how it affects everything from weight management to energy levels, and even how our bodies respond to different diets. We'll explore the various factors that influence metabolism, including age, genetics, and lifestyle choices, and how these elements can impact our health and well-being. Expect to uncover the mysteries behind metabolic rates and how they vary from person to person. We'll also discuss common misconceptions about metabolism, such as the idea that it's solely responsible for weight gain or loss. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how metabolism works and why it's essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So, whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, understand your body better, or simply satisfy your curiosity about how life functions at a molecular level, this video is for you. Join us as we unravel the intricate world of metabolism and its vital role in our lives. Definition of metabolism. Metabolism is a term that refers to the entire range of biochemical processes that occur within living organisms to maintain life. The word itself is derived from the Greek word metabol, which means change or transformation. This etymology perfectly encapsulates the essence of metabolism, as it involves the continuous transformation of substances within our bodies to support various physiological functions. At its core, metabolism can be divided into two main categories: catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is the process of breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones, releasing energy in the process. This energy is crucial for fueling various bodily functions, such as muscle contraction, nerve impulse transmission, and maintaining body temperature. For example, when we consume carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into glucose, which can then be used as a primary energy source. On the other hand, anabolism is the constructive phase of metabolism. It involves the synthesis of complex molecules from simpler ones, requiring energy input. Anabolic processes are essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. For instance, when we consume proteins, our bodies break them down into amino acids, which are then reassembled into new proteins needed for muscle growth and repair. The interplay between catabolism and anabolism is vital for maintaining homeostasis, the state of balance within the body. These biochemical processes are intricately linked, as the energy released during catabolic reactions is harnessed to drive anabolic reactions. This energy transformation is fundamental to life, enabling organisms to adapt to their environments, grow, and reproduce. In summary, metabolism is a dynamic and essential aspect of biology that encompasses the chemical reactions necessary for life. By understanding the distinction between catabolism and anabolism, we can appreciate how our bodies transform energy and matter to sustain life and support our daily activities. This foundational knowledge sets the stage for exploring the broader implications of metabolism in health and disease. Role of metabolism. Metabolism plays a crucial role in sustaining life by facilitating the myriad of biochemical processes that are essential for growth, reproduction, and the maintenance of cellular functions. Every living organism relies on metabolism to convert the nutrients obtained from food into energy, which is vital for carrying out daily activities and supporting life-sustaining processes. One of the primary functions of metabolism is to support growth and development. During childhood and adolescence, the body undergoes rapid growth, requiring a significant amount of energy and nutrients. Metabolism ensures that the necessary building blocks, such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, are available for the synthesis of new cells and tissues. This anabolic process is essential not only for physical growth, but also for the repair and maintenance of tissues throughout life. Reproduction is another critical aspect influenced by metabolism. The energy and nutrients derived from metabolic processes are essential for the development of gametes and the support of pregnancy. For instance, during pregnancy, a woman's metabolism increases to provide the necessary energy and nutrients for the growing fetus, highlighting the importance of a well-functioning metabolic system in reproductive health. Metabolism also plays a vital role in maintaining cellular functions. Every cell in the body requires energy to perform its specific tasks, whether it's muscle contraction, nerve signaling, or hormone production. The balance between catabolic and anabolic processes ensures that cells have the energy they need to function optimally, contributing to overall health and well-being. The relationship between metabolism and energy balance is fundamental to understanding how our bodies maintain homeostasis. When energy intake from food matches energy expenditure through physical activity and metabolic processes, the body remains in a state of balance. However, an imbalance can lead to weight gain or loss, impacting overall health. In summary, metabolism is not just a series of chemical reactions, it is the foundation of life itself. Its role in supporting growth, reproduction, and cellular maintenance, along with its impact on energy balance, underscores its significance in promoting overall health and well-being. Understanding metabolism can empower individuals to make informed choices about their nutrition and lifestyle, ultimately enhancing their quality of life. Basic functions of metabolism. Metabolism encompasses a variety of essential functions that are vital for the survival and proper functioning of organisms. At its core, metabolism is responsible for energy production and utilization, nutrient conversion, and waste elimination. Understanding these basic functions provides insight into how living beings maintain their physiological processes. One of the primary functions of metabolism is energy production. Organisms obtain energy from the food they consume, which is then converted into a usable form, primarily adenosine triphosphate, ATP. This process begins with digestion, where complex food molecules are broken down into simpler components. Through cellular respiration, particularly in the mitochondria, glucose and other substrates are oxidized to produce ATP. This energy is then utilized for various cellular activities, including muscle contraction, nerve impulse transmission, and biosynthesis of macromolecules. The efficient production and utilization of energy are crucial for sustaining life. Another fundamental function of metabolism is nutrient conversion. Metabolism transforms the nutrients obtained from food into the building blocks necessary for growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. Carbohydrates are converted into glucose for energy, proteins are broken down into amino acids for tissue synthesis, and fats are metabolized into fatty acids for energy storage and cellular structure. This conversion process ensures that organisms have the necessary components to support their biological functions. Waste elimination is also a critical aspect of metabolism. As metabolic processes generate energy and build cellular components, they also produce waste products, such as carbon dioxide and urea. Efficient metabolism ensures that these waste products are removed from the body to prevent toxicity. For instance, carbon dioxide is expelled through respiration, while urea is excreted through urine, maintaining the body's internal balance. Moreover, metabolic pathways are interconnected and regulated to ensure efficiency and adaptability. Various enzymes facilitate these pathways, allowing for the seamless transition between catabolic and anabolic processes based on the body's needs. Hormonal signals also play a significant role in regulating metabolism, ensuring that energy production and nutrient utilization are aligned with the organism's physiological state. In summary, the basic functions of metabolism, energy production, nutrient conversion, and waste elimination, are essential for sustaining life. The interconnectedness and regulation of metabolic pathways further enhance the efficiency of these processes, allowing organisms to thrive in their environments. Conclusion. In this video, we have explored the fascinating world of metabolism and its critical role in sustaining life. We began by defining metabolism as the sum of all biochemical processes that occur within living organisms, emphasizing its importance in energy production, nutrient conversion, and waste elimination. Understanding metabolism is not just an academic exercise. It is essential for grasping how our bodies function and how we can optimize our health. We discussed the two main components of metabolism: catabolism, which breaks down molecules to release energy, and anabolism, which builds complex molecules from simpler ones. This balance is vital for growth, reproduction, and the maintenance of cellular functions. By recognizing how these processes work together, we can appreciate the intricate mechanisms that keep our bodies running smoothly. Moreover, we highlighted the interconnectedness of metabolic pathways and the regulatory mechanisms that ensure efficiency. Hormones and enzymes play significant roles in managing these pathways, allowing our bodies to adapt to varying energy demands and nutrient availability. This understanding can empower us to make informed choices about our diets and lifestyles, ultimately impacting our overall health and well-being. As you reflect on the information shared in this video, consider how metabolism affects your daily life. From the energy you have for physical activities to how your body processes the food you eat, metabolism is at the heart of it all. Recognizing its significance can inspire you to adopt healthier habits that support your metabolic health. If you found this video informative and engaging, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content related to health and biology. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from understanding metabolism better. Together, we can foster a community that values knowledge and promotes healthier lifestyles. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.